Good morning. So I'm sorry I have been absent a few days over the past week. I actually had multiple migraines and I now have a stomach bug. So it has been a fun last 7 days for me. This is our last video about YouTube, and we will be moving on to TikTok starting. I think I'm actually going to go live today for that as well. So this week we'll be talking about TikTok. We are, of course, answering frequently asked questions, and this week is all about, well, last week was all about YouTube. And our question for today is going to be, how do we get money from YouTube? If you're watching this video, be sure to follow, subscribe, like the video. Let me know if you have any questions about YouTube or what you think about using YouTube for your online business. So before we jump into the question for today, which is how do we get money from YouTube, I want to let you know about a free webinar that I have coming up. It's on Thursday, so just a couple days, 2 days from today. It'll be at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, and it is called The Underground TikTok Hack to Consistently Grow Your YouTube Channel Without Becoming a Dancing Monkey. And in that, I'm going to give you my 3 tips to growing a successful YouTube channel using TikTok as a tool. And that is going to include the double trouble method, which is how to grow your YouTube every single day, even if you're starting with 0 followers. Number 2, your sticky note strategy, how to use sticky notes so that you never look stupid on camera again, even if you have buck teeth and a unibrow. And number 3, fast and dirty SEO, how to find topics that will help you float to the top of Google without wasting time or money on software that you don't need. So those 3 tips are going to be in my free webinar on Thursday. You can go to myscheduledbiz.com/YouTube in order to join that webinar. Again, it's free. So now let's jump into today's question. Our question for today is, how do we get money from YouTube? So the very first way that you can get money from YouTube is through monetization, which this is what everybody thinks of as being the only way to get money from YouTube sometimes. And it's not accurate that this is your only option. But what it means to be monetized is that YouTube will actually pay you when you get people to watch your videos, essentially. In order to be monetized, you have to have 1,000 followers and 4,000 watch hours. So what this means really is that you're not getting monetized anytime fast. If you're just starting a YouTube channel, getting to 1,000 followers is not a fast, sorry, my notes just fell, is not a fast prospect. And I think sometimes we're misled to think that it can be. And so I just want to be upfront with this. Yes, this is a way for you to make money from YouTube. And once you get to 1,000 1,000 followers or 4,000 watch hours, this is a way that you can potentially make money. But when you look at the stats on YouTubers who actually make money from YouTube and what percentage of them there are and how much they actually make, they don't make enough for this to be a viable, really source of income immediately. I'm not saying over the course of time you can't make money doing this, but this is not going to be your number 1 way to make money, especially when you're first starting out. Your second way to make money with YouTube is going to be selling your own products or services. So this is where you have a video and you put a mini commercial like we discussed another day about YouTube, or you refer them to your website to go and get something from you. Possibly a free thing that leads into a paid thing. So selling your own products or services is actually going to be a much faster way for you to actually make revenue through YouTube. And then our third way to actually make money from YouTube is through affiliate sales. And so this is going to be where instead of selling your own item, you're selling someone else's item using your YouTube videos to do that. So we've actually talked a lot more about how to make money with YouTube in the other videos that all have a yellow background. So if you want to know some more information about how to make money on YouTube, you can go and watch those other videos that we did last week that have the yellow background, and that should help you out. Just final reminder, come join me for the Underground TikTok Hack to Grow Your YouTube Channel Consistently Without Becoming a Dancing Monkey. It's going to be the webinar. It is going to be on Thursday, and I will be going over my 3 secret tips to use TikTok to grow your YouTube channel every single day. And it'll be at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Again, the website is myscheduledbiz.com/YouTube. If you have any questions, you can always comment here, DM me, or just leave a comment on whatever platform you're watching. And I will be joining with you again shortly to talk a little bit about TikTok. Have a great day. Bye.